If you use Yahoo Mail and want to update your email signature, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your signature on Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to add a new name, job title, phone number, website, or a more professional sign-off to your emails. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open the signature settings, edit your message, and save everything properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Yahoo keeps all of the main email preferences and customization options. After clicking settings, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose more settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can adjust everything from inbox preferences to writing options. On the settings page, look for the section called Writing Email. This is the area where Yahoo Mail lets you control how your outgoing messages are formatted. Click on Writing Email and then find the signature option. If you already have a signature created, you'll see it here. If not, you may need to create one first before editing it. This is the part where you can make your emails look more personal or more professional depending on what you need. Now click into the signature box and start editing your text. You can remove old information, add a new phone number, update your company name, insert a website link, or change the wording completely. If you want a clean professional style, keep it short and simple. If you want a branded signature, you can include a slogan or a short closing line. Take your time here and make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it to appear in your sent emails. Once you've finished editing your signature, double check for spelling mistakes, broken links, or outdated details. This is especially important if you use Yahoo Mail for work, customer support, or business communication. A good signature can make your emails look more polished and can also help people contact you more easily. After reviewing it, make sure the changes are saved. Yahoo usually saves settings automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm that your updated signature is still there before closing the page. To test it, go back to your inbox and compose a new email. Your updated signature should appear automatically at the bottom of the message. If it does, then you've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail signature. If it doesn't show up right away, go back into the writing email settings and check that the signature is enabled for your account. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes for the change to appear, and that's it. You now know how to change your signature on Yahoo Mail in 2025. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how your emails look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.